Hey everyone, happy Thursday. It is your last lesson of the school year. Really exciting. So we're just going to do more practice, some variations on completing the square, and then you've got 2 problems for homework. Just a quick note about what I've seen on your homework so far, just looking at it real quickly. Some of you aren't showing your steps, so actually quite a few of you are going to earn incompletes for your assignment. So if you're not showing the work, you're not going to get a passing grade on it. So you do need to show your work. Answers are great and all, but as you know, during the school year, you don't get most of the points if you don't put the work in. So quite a few of you will have to do that from your last assignment. So you'll get a note from me, and make sure you do that so that it shows up as something higher than a 50%. All right, today is the 14th. And we've got more completing the square practice. So write an equation in standard form for this circle. X squared plus y squared equals 20 minus 8x. And remember, our goal is to make it look like a circle equation. So then we can answer part B. Okay, so if I look at this right now, I just need to move the x's and y's to the same side. And so I've got x squared plus 8x plus y squared equals 20. The 20 can stay on the other side. It's awesome. So something that's really neat here is that there's no other y terms besides the y squared, so that's actually a perfect square. I don't have to do anything with that one. I don't have to complete the square there. But if I look at the x terms, I do have to complete the square. We're going to take half this number. So here we've got plus 4 squared because you're taking half of 8 and squaring it. Then we've got to add that to the other side. So my next line will read, this will be x plus 4 squared plus the y squared equals 36. Okay, not so bad. All right, so if I look at part B, determine the area of the circle. Remember, area is pi r squared, so I need to know the radius. Radius equals the square root of 36, 6, so the area equals pi 6 squared, which equals 36 pi, which is about, if you give me 2 decimal places, 113.10 units. All right. On your homework, you will be asked for area, so don't forget that formula. Okay, and then we've got part C. So if you look at the original equation from here, we know the center is at -4 and then 0, since it's just a y squared, and then the radius is the square root of 36, which is 6. So -4, 0, and then counting 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 to the right, 6 down, and 6 to the left. Oh, ran out of space on the graph paper, but we'll need those 4 points. All right? Awesome. And if you need to see that again, please rewatch it. All right, one more example question. We'll change colors here. Write an equation in standard form for this circle. All right, and so this was like the last equation on your homework and on the examples from the first lesson this week. So I noticed the 4's here, and so we're gonna just divide everything by 4 to get rid of it. So I really have x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus, I believe that's 24y, let me check, 96 divided by 4, 24, plus 30 equals 0. Okay, and then I'm going to rearrange these so I have all my x values together, then I have my y values together, and then that squared is kind of hard to see, so there. And then I'm actually going to move the 30 over to the other side. Okay? And so now I'm going to complete the square. All right, so this number is half of -2, so it's -1 squared, which I have to add to this side. And then this number here is half of 24 squared, so that's a 12 squared. Okay. Notice I'm putting parentheses around the negative numbers. When you type that in your calculator, I want you to type it just like that so that your calculator will make that a positive number. Alright, so when you rewrite your squares here, so you can get it in standard form, this is really an x minus 1 because half of -2 is -1 plus y plus 12 squared equals, and I add all those up, it's 115. Okay, so center is 1, -12. Radius is the square root of 115. If you give me a decimal for that, rounded to 2 places, is 10.72. Then your area is pi r squared, so pi times 10.72 squared is about 361.28. All right, that's it. Be good. Have fun at eSchool. We'll have a different assignment for next week that I'll give you Tuesday, and you'll have the whole week to do it. All right? Be good, and, just have fun today. I know it's a rainy day. All right, bye.